Hey guys, welcome to Raj Makes Money. How are all my moneymakers doing on this Friday, July 2nd, right before July 4th holiday weekend? Unfortunately, markets will be closed on Monday, so we'll be back live trading on Tuesday. But let's talk about how this week went, what we did, and how it wound up. So unfortunately today, down $180,000. Had two bad ones, not bad, but two that went down today. Obviously, CCIV was down heavily, as well as AMC was down heavily. So those were our big losses for the day. But thank God we had the hedges out there. Those definitely helped us. And for the week, we're still up for the week over 100,000. So had a good week. Was hoping to really hit it hard and everything work out. But unfortunately, the final 2 days of the week, things turned against us. It seems like we start off these weeks really strong, and then we end the weeks on Fridays. It seems like the meme stocks and people want to take their cash out, especially for the long weekend. I think some people want to take their money out. You know, people get a little scared and nervous. Plus, a lot of people want to have something to do, so they move it over to cryptocurrency. Now, in interesting news, the crypto Bitcoin is down. It started to run and stuff, but definitely down a little bit. So it'll be interesting to see where that goes over the weekend into Tuesday. But I think everything's good. I think AMC had a nice bounce back. It was all the way down to like $47, $48 today. Came all the way back. But like I said, still down. Also, IDX and Jaguar, they've been both getting pounded pretty good here over the last couple of weeks. So hopefully they'll come back and stuff. But it is what it is, not too worried. As you can see, I did quite a few trades. My Patreon members probably saw those today. So quite a few trades with the markets being up and down. So, you know, I basically chased down some of the money to pick up some extra money, which worked out well. So we picked up an extra 30, 40 grand doing that today. And then my other hedges. Interesting enough, this one here, this is a great hedge. Really saved us, but it's the same token. If you remember on Tuesday when the market rallied, this hedge cost me like $300,000. So you know, it works both ways. I am eyeing these $29 strike price calls on CCIV. I like those. If CCIV comes up 2 points, this is going to be 250, and you know these would be 0 on Friday. So I like this for the move. I think it's good. These will all expire worthless. I was trying to sell these for 50 cents. I don't know why it didn't get filled. So hopefully CCIV will have a nice little bounce. And I can sell these either the 29s or the 30s for next week for a nice for a bigger gain than the 50 cents they're at now. And I always seem to do good on these shorter weeks, so hopefully next week being a short week will do well. AMC also, you can see here where I rolled down the 59 calls to the 54s to pick up extra cash, so it helped pick up an extra 20,000. But it all adds up. When stuff's going down, you got to take advantage of it. You know, when stuff's going up, unfortunately, sometimes depending on the hedge, it could also work against you. But you never know. It's part of the game. So, but markets today hit all-time new highs everywhere. Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, just on fire. The markets were on fire today. Bitcoin down a little bit. Our Coinbase account is at $65,794. But it'll be interesting this holiday weekend where Bitcoin goes. Obviously, China is affecting Bitcoin heavily as far as a big rally and stuff. So our big one, CCIV today. Interesting too, like CPOP, this one today was doing well the last couple of days. It came down quite a bit. The big one today that ran was Marin Software, up huge today, 30%, 35%. There's a few others, but yeah, this one got all the way up to $25 today. Not sure if it's a short squeeze, what it is. This is the hot one, obviously, right now for all the people and stuff playing the meme stocks, but hopefully our AMC will bounce back after hours up a little bit, but really doesn't make a difference since everything is closed until Tuesday. Tuesday is when it will all matter. So Don Lee says, don't be bummed on AMC. Big Ape Raja hold. Hedges trying to bring the price down, but it will continue to bounce back because apes are holding. Next week will be a great rebound, hopefully. And I'm not going anywhere. I'll just keep hedging it every week and selling calls until it gets called out. I would like to see it up because you can sell the calls for a lot more money than when it's down and stuff. So the real high roller, don't count the halves out yet. So be excited for the game tonight. My prediction is that Montreal will win at least one game at home. Here's the thing: if they win both games at home, it's going to be an interesting series. If they only win one game, if they lose both games at home, obviously it's over with. If they split it at home, depending on how, they split it at home, I think they have a shot. But I think if Tampa comes back up 3-1, I think it could be a 5-game series. So, but wishing both teams the best of luck. I really have no skin in the game, so personally, I don't care which team wins. May the best team win that series. But who knows where it will go. But some other stocks I've been watching and stuff too. Something that we had played earlier in the week was that, look at the symbol. Hold on a second. Donut yesterday came public. So, and this one, the Krispy Kreme, that one came down today, which I expected. I was surprised it even rallied at all yesterday because interest in it was pretty low. So, definitely didn't do well. Clover, we still have some. That was another one today. It was interesting because if you look at the 5-day chart, this thing got going. This thing got up to 1390. Or actually, wow, 1436. I remember like 1390 the other day, but 1436 on Tuesday. So I thought this one was going to stay strong. It was hanging in there above 13. Yeah, I can hear it, 1390 on Wednesday. And then I don't know what happened between yesterday and today, but this one definitely moves. This is another one of these meme plays and short squeezes. So hopefully it comes back. I'm not too worried about it, but it'll look pretty good. Crazy Carl, I'm up $28,000. Congratulations, Crazy Carl. How are you up so much money? What did you do? I am a tree. My dude Raja, since you're a big Moon Gang member on the meme stocks now, I got one that's actually good for you. CRSR. I see 40 to 50 within a year, low P&E ratio, high growth. CRSR. Let's take a look at that one. CRSR. Corsair Gaming. So this one's been $14 to $51, so right there in the mid, and yeah, probably this get some decent earnings and stuff. A huge valuation, wow, almost $3 billion. So, but it's been pretty steady around there, so not too bad. Lord Beerus, hey Raja, I'm down on CCIB, but I picked up calls on Amazon at the low and gained 50K on the 35.50 strike for next week. Awesome, terrific. I haven't watched Amazon lately. That one's probably always done good. Oh yeah, today up 2%. Wow, that really skyrocketed today. Any big news there? Let's see. Well, yeah, it's hard to lose when it's getting near its 52-week high. Also, it was interesting enough, Apple today was getting going, and then yesterday it was down a little bit, and then today, yeah, it was started and then got strong. So Apple's another one. It's, 6 now. It's 3% away from its highs. So definitely getting closer to striking 3-4%. So I think we could see this market explode. It'll be interesting. If Apple breaks the 145, it'll probably go to about 150, 152, and then you'll see it bounce back down to the 130s again and stuff. But it's definitely building a good base and everything, so looking good. Mitchell Pilot, $3 lucky super chat sticker. Thank you so much, Mitchell. But yeah, it'll be interesting. Apple, like I said, I want to play these, but the problem is, we'll pull up some of the chains. Is the it's just the the premiums are just so bad. That's why, I've been actually running a lot of puts on CLOV out of my other accounts. I really like it. I think it's kind of like a CCIB play where it's just going to be collecting money and doing well. And you just gotta wait for the it's like the piggy or like a progressive, kind of like we said on CCIB. Every week you just kind of put it in there and then it's gonna hit, and it's also a lot cheaper, at $12. 75 or whatever. It's a lot cheaper than CCIB was at 21, 22, 23. So you can do a lot more of it, and obviously we've watched it run all the way up to $28 in a 2-3 day period when the memes play it. But yeah, if you look at the Apple, so with Apple at 138, it's just the premiums on these put. Like if you do the puts like I used to do, it's just pathetic. I mean, come on, $1.20. The stock's $130. Apple's $139.96. So basically $140, and they're to give you $1.20. This stock just moved $2.69 in 1 day, in a 7-day. So I mean, if this stock goes down $2.69, this is basically $3. You're down 300%, and if it goes up $2 with at $2.50, or if it goes up $2, this would drop to about 50 cents. It's just the the profits aren't there. And at $140 a share, so it just doesn't make sense. But that's why when you look at stuff like this Clover and stuff, the premiums are huge. So that's what I'm doing, shopping premiums. Same with CCIV's premiums are looking good, and especially if this thing pops again, which I think it will. I think we're, like I said, the merger happens. We're in July now. This merger is 2.5 weeks away. So I think it's looking pretty good. But yeah, if you look at like Clover, look at the puts on Clover for a $13 put on Clove. Well, that $11.70 you write the 12, so 30 cents out, you get 90 cents. That's almost the same premium, as Apple. Apple wants to give me $1.20 for, I mean, it's ridiculous. Like I said, the premiums and the return on investment are just really, really bad there. CCIV. But same like CCIV, it's still got great premiums, especially, if it keeps moving strong. And if this thing pops, it's going to be big. But even if you're like, I wrote some 25s in one of my accounts. But, even like on this one here, if you write the 27s at $1, it's like I said, Apple's paying $1.20. This is paying 4 times as much. If you take Apple at $138 and you took this at $27 times 5, you could get $5. Where Apple, for the same investment, is going to give you $1.20. I mean, it's just pathetic, the premiums on Apple right now. It makes no sense because Apple's moving so much, but yet, so I don't know if they're trying to slow option trading down or what they're trying to do on it, but it's very interesting trying to figure that one out because I can't figure it out at all. It just makes no sense to me what's going on with it. So, but hey guys, that's what I got for you. I hope everyone has a terrific weekend and lots of fun out there. You got July 4th. I hope everybody has a great time with family and friends. Don't forget, no show on Monday. The markets are all closed. Even though the thumbnail may show a recap what we're going to do Monday. Monday, we're going to do nothing. But Tuesday, we will be back at it. Big shout out to all my Patreon members. You guys get all my trades in real time. All the trades I did today, you guys all got in real time. So make sure you take advantage of them and check out what we're doing. You also get access to our private Patreon Facebook page that you guys can post and comment and talk about anything stock related that you would like to in cryptocurrencies. But that's what I got for you guys. So I hope everybody has a great July 4th weekend with family, friends, and hey, big booms all around. If you're hitting the casinos this weekend, best of luck to you. And I'll see everybody Tuesday for Raja Makes Money and a live play from the casino. Take care, guys, and have a great July 4th.